What you doing? Come on. Come on. Morning, everybody. Jason, PJ, Hollis Farms. We had a big rain last night. My wife said it stormed last night, but I slept through it. Boy, it is bright this morning, though, and that sun is pulling that moisture out of the ground. But anyway, I think it'll be plenty. It's going to be a little wet, a little messy, but I think the loggers will be fine. I'm fixing to head up there here in just a few minutes, soon as PJ does a little running around and takes care of her business. But I'm going to carry the drone up there because they're almost, it's going to take them a little while to haul it. I don't think they'll get it today, possibly. But anyway, they just about got all the trees laid down anyway for in this first little clear cut. So I want to put the drone up in the air and get a look. We've seen it before, and we want to see it after. Kind of keep up with that as we go. So I think it's going to be too wet for me to do anything that I want to do on the tractor, but as long as they're doing what they need to be doing, logging, we'll be fine. We can catch up on ours. Alright, so I'm going to go down this road that I've been grading on. If it's not too wet, I don't want to make a mess. And see how this water is draining where we was working with the straight blade before it broke. This right here looks like it's draining pretty good. Just barely ditched it a little bit over there. It's draining pretty good. It's wet. One trip won't hurt it though, I don't think. Yeah, that water's getting down through there good. I may have to drain that a little bit more. Got a little hole right here. Not too bad. So this right here was our main spot that was holding water, and I bet I gotta get a little deeper. But it's better. I need to shave a little more off of that right there, but it's not holding near like it was. One way to test it is let it rain and see how it's probably too far to go that way, but we can get a little bit more and we can get her going down through there. Getting better. This right here is always soft when it rains. We worked it a lot. Right there's draining good. A little bit was soft there, a little bit standing there. But at least it ain't on the road. That's the main thing. Alright, so a few years ago, boy, it seems bright. I hope that's videoing right. A few years ago when we did that clear cut right over there, I left this strip around here. And I just really didn't like it, so I decided to clear it. And it looks like they've already gotten started cutting that. Alright, so the road is holding up really good. When they get done, it won't take a whole lot to grade this up and get it back in shape. Nice to have good roads. That's why we try to keep them up. if that rain will hold off. They just about gonna get done right here. I'm liking this better already, where I left that strip around. Get it back in one little block there. Be easier to manage. Getting there, ain't we, PJ? My original thoughts, the reason I left this strip was to have a turkey roost around these clear cuts, but they ain't using it. So, and it's just gonna make it hard to manage. You have two different age classes right there close to each other. So no more than it was. Told them, I said, let's go ahead and clear cut that. We'll get that in one block there. Be a lot easier. I'm trying to section this thing off for future, where it's just gonna be really easy to manage. We're doing our clear cuts around fire lanes. Most of them's already there, bush hog trails that I'm gonna turn into fire lanes, just to where we can come down here and disc around it, or have clover planted and just come in here and light it and let it kind of watch it, but kind of let it go and not have to worry. So try to make this easier for the future. And plus, checkerboarding it like this is gonna be better for the deer and the turkeys too. I'm already thinking right now what we're gonna do next year, or might do this year. Got a big one he's finna lay down. Alright, so I just noticed a setting that was off on this camera. I thought it when I was looking through the viewfinder this morning. It was a little bright, so y'all bear with me on that. I got that fixed. But anyway, the loggers, it's starting to rain down there. I think they'll probably make this afternoon. It was too wet to do any projects what I wanted to do, so I came back here in Alabama and got on the grasshopper and cut some grass, and now it's starting to storm here. So anyway, just kind of dodging raindrops. They may get rained out here just a little bit. It's still a little early, but they might make the day on it, but I don't know about tomorrow. They calling for some big rain, so we've been dodging it. We'll just see what happens. But anyway, sorry about the video being so bright. Of course, I hadn't edited it yet. It may not be as bad as I think it is, but I think it's not real good. But just didn't notice that. I should have paid attention to it when I saw it in the viewfinder. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.